Hi, I'm Shkina Mama Asmi, and today I'm going to present to you my research, Population of Plastic Chemicals into Food of Food Stimulant A Review, supervised by Dr. Muhammad Firdaus Yahya. So this is my table of contents. So I start off my presentation with the definition of the terms I used in my research title. So according to the Oxford Dictionary 2021, percolation is a process of a liquid or gas moving gradually through a surface that has a very small holes or spaces in it. According to the Globe et al. 2008, food stimulant is used to simplify testing for regulatory compliance purposes since the stimulants are less chemically complex than the foods. In our life, we often hear the word plastic, but what is plastic? So plastic is a material made up of a combination of polymers and chemical compounds additive. What is polymer and what is additive? So polymer is a series of monomer chains binding them to a specific bond. They could exist organically or be created synthetically, like most of the non-plastic food packaging. Additives, on the other hand, are chemical compounds, which mentioned by Hierarchis et al. 2018, which enhance the performance of plastic in terms of rigidity, flexibility, and durability. There are four types of plastic additives, which are functional additives, fillers, colorants, and reinforcement. According to the Fasano et al. 2012, the classic trait of chemical additives present known as endocrine disruptors from monomer is the bisphenol A, and from the additive is catalysts, acetinols, and di-2-ethylhexyl additives. According to the Lee et al. 2019, organophosphate esters from the functional additives in drinking water have potential cancer risks for consumers, assessed by the oral reference dose and oral cancer slope factor of the organophosphate ester. So these seven triangles are the classification of the plastic, with number one is the polyethylene tetrafactalate, followed by high density polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, low density polyethylene. Number five is polypropylene, followed by polystyrene and other. Other is indicated for food packaging that is made up other than the six mentioned above. So all these symbols are readily available on every food packaging surfaces, each with different monomer and copolymer type used, using different manufacturing processes that carries different properties and purposes as listed here. So food packaging is a rapidly evolving field, and plastic is the material of choice due to its cheapest cost. However, owing to the fact that plastic has a characteristic of poor heat resistance, which readily releases toxic chemicals, these added additives are scientifically proven hazardous to the environment and human health. So problems arise when plastic is entrusted to protect food during storage and transportation, but could it protect us from the percolating chemicals contaminating the food? There are also vast research on chemicals migration, but there is a lack of research for writing plastic chemicals migration with oral cancer. So, I want to conduct a review writing on the presence of percolated plastic chemicals into plastic food packaging into food stimulants. Specifically, I want to determine the presence of percolated plastic chemicals into food with different packing materials. So how do I do it? So this is a narrative review study retrieved from the sources of computerized database from reliable sources published from 1991 to 2021. I include criteria of retrieving articles from Science Direct and National Library of Medicine, focusing on the plastic chemicals migration from food packaging into food. And I exclude criteria of articles from Wikipedia or unreliable sources. I also exclude review articles, plastic particles migration, and migration from other than food packaging. My search engine is the plastic food packaging, plastic chemicals percolation, food stimulant, and oral cancer. Again, my materials is I use article from computerized database, and this is my flow chart. And now to the main point of the presentation, the result. So among 50 articles that I reviewed, only 29 articles fit into my inclusion criteria. I divided the result into two tables, which is this one is the monomer migration and the other one is the additive migration. So in this monomer migration result, there are 13 studies studying about the monomer migration, such as the vinyl chloride monomer, the styrene compounds or malystyrene monomer, bisphenol A from polycarbonate and packaging with epicene lining. So as you can see from the observation column, um, it shows that monomer migration is detected from respective packaging material such as the polyvinyl chloride, polypropylene, polystyrene, and polycarbonate packaging. While the result for additive migration, there are 16 articles in total discussing about the additive migration from various types of food packaging into food or food stimulant. The additives mentioned here are mostly from the functional additive type of plastic additive, which are the plasticizer and antioxidant or stabilizer. As you can see also from the observation columns, all plastic chemicals additive migrates, or in other words, migration is detected from the various types of food packaging into food or food stimulant. So for conclusion, migration of plastic chemicals increases with increasing temperature and contact or storage time. It is also influenced by the nature, complexity, and the concentration of the chemicals itself, and the nature of the food stimulants where fatty-based food is predilect- predilected. There is also lack of research regarding the migration of other plastic additives such as filler, colorants, and reinforcement. And I do think that further research on correlation of migration of plastic chemicals, specifically with oral cancers, are required. So this is me and my supervisor, Dr. Firdaus. So I acknowledge Dr. Khairul Baria, Dr. Hayati, Dr. Jawad is my ex-supervisor, and my friend Yu Xiang. So this is my references. With that, I thank you for your time.